Hi everyone, this is Tori. I was just going to try and answer some of the questions that I've been getting about the blog hop, and I thought maybe this would be the easiest way instead of trying to answer all the individual emails. I'm also going to show you something that you have the option of doing if you want to try it. Um, but remember, you do not have to do this second step, and I'll let you know when I get to that step, and then you can make the decision if you want to or not. First of all, I wanted to just point out here on my Facebook page the green hot button. A couple of you have asked, do I need two buttons here? And no, you do not. I have two because on mine it comes up with the links of all your buttons, and I couldn't do that on this particular purple button. I couldn't do what I wanted to do here on here, so I had to make a new button. But and again, when you click on that green button, and hopefully you've done this already, if not, come to my Facebook page and try it out, but you'll see all of the people that we have so far, and when you click on these links it will take you to your Facebook page. And what I mean when I say please have your green button on your Facebook page, when we click on it, for example, let's click on here. It takes you to Teaching Little Miracles, and then you can see right here is her green blog hop button. It just makes it easier for people who are clicking that it's one extra look, and we don't want to get anyone frustrated and stop. So make sure you have that on there, and in a minute I'll show you how to get that on your button. So to add your fan freebie link is so easy. Once you sign up for woobox.com, your page will look slightly different. This page will be empty. You want to click on down here where it says HTML fan gates. And I'm just going to click right here because mine shows up here, but yours will be probably right here. So you're going to add a fan gate tab. And then this will pop up. Now here's where you have a couple options. You have the option of just adding an image. So when you click on your tab, an image will pop up that will have, let me show you for example. When you click on Across the Hall, she's got her little freebies for fans tab. So when you click on this, it'll give you this page here, and it'll say like this page to get your freebie. So you can do this where you create this image. I usually just make mine in PowerPoint and then save it as a JPEG file, and it'll pop up right just like this. When you do that, the fans have to click like in order to get their freebie, which is kind of the bonus. So in order to do it that way, you want to click on your image here, and then that's when you pull up your file. And the top one, I always get this confused. The top one is what your fans will see once they click like. And the bottom one here where it says non-fan source, that's what they'll click when they come here, which says like this page to get your freebie. Okay, so it's kind of a little backwards. It's kind of a layered effect where they're asking you to do the one when fans click first, and then on top of that is your non-fan page source. And then these other ones you can just have turned off. So if you want to use the picture one, just click on both of the images. You do need to create that like and like me file, and then you'll put that on your non-fan. So the bottom one here will be your click like. This top one will say click to get your freebie. And then remember to have it on the word image. Okay? Now, that part is easy. And then once you have it set up, you can create a link, and it can link it to your file. And usually I put it in Google Docs, and Google Docs link is easy, and it's just like doing your blog. So if you can understand Google Docs and you know how to make links that way, once you have that finished, you can do that quite easily. I'm going to show you one other thing. Now, I showed you how my tab's set up like this, where I have all of this. I'm going to show you something really quickly that gives you the option to have this particular page on your Facebook so that people don't have to come to mine per se to get to all these links. You can actually do this where you have them on yours and you don't have to direct them anywhere else. Now, this is a little more complicated. It's really not complicated, but I hope this video makes it less complicated. I just want to show you how to do it. It would be easier for me to show you than try and send it through an email. So when you're on your woobox, instead of clicking that image button, we want to keep it in HTML. Okay, so this right here, this top one, instead of doing image, we want it to say HTML. Okay, and then make sure it's on the source, so that will be black. Okay, later I'll show you how to do editor, but we want it to be black. Now, if all goes well, I would have sent you this document, this Word document that has all of this code in it. And it's giant, and you don't have to even worry about what it says. Just copy it so it turns blue, copy it, and we're going to paste it into your woobox right in here. So make sure it says source, make sure it says HTML, and we're going to paste it in there, and it's going to end up looking like this. Again, don't even worry about what it says. Now, when you click over here to this word editor, it'll pop up exactly like mine. And hopefully, if it works correctly, the Rafflecopter will also be in your page. Now, if you want to check to make sure it works, you click on your Save Settings down in the corner. This will come back up, and don't worry about that. And then you click over here where it says, see where there you've got your spotlights here underneath. It says Welcome, and I'm going to show you how to fix all that too. Where it says View Facebook tab, click on that, and then it should pop up just like this. And now I've got this, and I've got this. If I want to check my page to make sure it's really there, I can click on my name, and I can come down here, and it's not going to be up here because I have one extra button here, and that's what that one means right there. There it is. There's my welcome, and if I really, really want to double check, I'll click on that, and here it is. Okay, now what you have here is what I would have, and that's really it. It's simple. The only thing you would need to do if you want to do it this way, you would need to find your link on here, and you would need to click on it. You would need to go into woobox, and you would need to change it so that your link goes to your freebie. So right now, if you clicked on yours, it would take you right back to your Facebook page. This is actually what mine does. I haven't set mine up yet properly. So mine just takes me back to Facebook. So when it's all said and done, I will switch mine in woobox so that my link goes to my freebie. And really, in order just to do that, let me show you real quick. So right now, all of these little pages, or all these little buttons, have a link right now. And these tell me the links right here. So see, if I click on mine, this comes up where it says insert link, and then this says like a chain breaking. If I want to make this into my document, I'm going to unlink it, which is this box here. And then I'm going to copy and paste my Google Docs, and then I'm going to click on this again and link it up. Okay, so like if I click, I don't want to disengage what I have, so I'm not going to undo that. But if I click on this unlink, it takes it away. And then if I click on this and make it blue and click my link, and then it'll pop up. Actually, let me show you that. I can do that without. It'll pop this up. Then you just copy and paste the link to Google Docs. Make sure you pull this tab down and click where it says Open Link in a New Window. I realized that if I didn't do that step, nothing would happen when you click on it. So you have to pull that menu down and open, link into a new window, and then just hit update, and it'll create your page. Okay, one last thing. In order to get this, I've had a couple questions about what do I do about this, and you can change this word welcome to say something else. Let's see. If I click back here, and I click on HTML fan gates, and I click on, oh my goodness, I just forgot. Oh, I'm sorry, down here. Down here where it says edit, I want to tab settings, I believe. Yeah, here we go. So if I want it, down here it says tab name. Let's get rid of the word welcome. And now I can have it say blog hop. Okay. And for this, I want to choose a file. And I sent you that little green picture. So I'm just going to show you real quick. That's the exact size that it needs to be. So it looks like this. So I'm going to click on it. And it doesn't pop up right away. You have to save your settings and for it to show up. So I'm just hit save settings. And there it is. Okay. So I hope this helps a bit. Please send me questions about this. And again, you don't have to add all the buttons on your Facebook page, but if you'd like to, hopefully you realize how easy that is. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye.